Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Today, we're going to show you how to set up the Balco Transfer Hub, so you can easily connect your portable power station to your balcony solar system. Before we jump in, take a quick look through the safety instructions. One golden rule: keep everything powered down and disconnected during mounting. Alright, let's unbox it and double check that all these accessories are there. You can also choose these add-ons depending on your setup. In terms of compatibility, the hub is pretty flexible. It works seamlessly with select BLUETTI portable power stations and supports third-party units with over 1,000 watts of AC output. Take a quick look at the ports. Pick a sturdy spot, mark and drill holes, and insert 4 expansion bolts. Align the unit and tighten it with self-tapping screws. Just like that. Now on to wiring. Plug the cable labeled grid into a grounded wall outlet. You'll know it's working when the indicator lights up. Connect the AC_input cable to your portable power station's AC outlet. Use the AC charging cable to link the portable power station's AC input to the hub's charging socket. Finally, connect your solar panels directly to the PV input on your portable power station. And that's it, clean, simple, and all set. Bind a unit to the BLUETTI app. And pair it with your portable power station. Now you can track system status anytime. Head to Advanced Settings to set on-grid rated output power. Just make sure it stays within your power station's rated output. In AI mode, the system optimizes energy management based on solar input and electricity prices to maximize efficiency and value. You can also switch between self-consumption and backup modes, or create your own schedule in custom mode. For more flexibility, you can share access with others or enable extreme weather alert for extra peace of mind. That's it for today. Follow us for more tips, and we'll see you in the next video.